Good morning, friends. Have you started your day in a fresh and healthy way? Today, we're going to learn some awesome habits that will help you have a healthy and happy day. Let's get started. Get up early in the morning. First things first, waking up early is really important. When we wake up early, we can enjoy the whole day and feel full of energy. So, wake up early, take a deep breath of fresh air, and start your day the right way. Greet everyone. Have you noticed when you greet your family and friends with a good morning, Zrenia, it makes their day better? Always greet your loved ones with a big smile. When you greet others, it brings you positive energy too. Brush your teeth twice a day. Taking care of your teeth is super important. Brush your teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed, so your teeth stay clean and healthy. Don't forget to brush your teeth every morning and night. Eat healthy food. Alex, eating healthy food makes you strong. Fruits, vegetables, and healthy snacks keep your body active and fit. Fill your plate with colorful fruits and veggies to keep your body healthy. Pray to God. When we start our day with a prayer, it brings peace and happiness into our lives. Take a moment each morning to thank God for everything you have and ask for blessings. Start your day with a prayer to bring positivity and peace to your life. Go for a morning walk. A morning walk helps you feel fresh and energized. Spend a little time walking outside in the fresh air and you'll feel amazing. Short walk in the morning gives you a boost of energy. Take a bath, and now a refreshing bath. When you're clean and fresh, you feel great and ready to face the day. So, friends, these are some amazing habits that will help you have a healthy and happy day. Wake up early, greet everyone, brush your teeth, eat healthy food, pray, go for a morning walk, and take a bath. These will keep you strong and happy. Happy habits, happy life. Start your day with these habits and always stay healthy and happy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun and healthy tips. Bye-bye, friends. See you in the next video.